everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm super excited to be showing you how I make my DIY hand soap. I've been making my DIY hand soap for the past 6 months now. At the beginning of quarantine, I had some hand soap to begin with, but after a few months, it became very challenging to find hand soap sold at stores. Everywhere I went, I couldn't find any hand soap, and I figured, why not try to learn how to make my own hand soap? I love making my own hand soap. It's super easy and super cheap. Definitely compared to if you purchase one new one from the store, it's a lot cheaper to make your own hand soap. You will definitely need Castile soap. This is the one I'm using in today's video. This is the Baby Mild Castile soap by Dr. Woods. It's unscented and it's also good for sensitive skin. I've also used the Dr. Bronner's Baby Unscented Pure Castile soap. I've used both Castile soaps and they work really well, whichever one that you choose. So really recommend picking up a bottle of Castile soap. I got these ones online and they're really easy to find now in your local Target or drugstore. You'll also need to have some glycerin. This is the glycerin that I bought. I bought this one online as well. This is the vegetable glycerin from Now Solutions. You'll also need some water. Tap water is totally fine. I'd recommend making the hand soap in your kitchen or in your bathroom, whichever is easiest for you. It's so easy to just do it at the kitchen or the bathroom since you can easily clean up any spills if you made any, and you can just grab the water from the faucet. The ratios I'll be doing in this video is based on my personal preference, and I find that the ratio that I'll be showing you is just what I like to have. If you are new to my channel, my name is Tiffany and I post videos on YouTube related to lifestyle, DIYs, and finance, and I'd love it if you give this video a big like and also subscribe down to my channel below. Without further ado, let's go to this video. Here we have my Castile soap. This is the glycerin. I also have my measuring cups. I'm using a 1 cup and a 1/3 cup. I'm also going to be using a 1 tablespoon measuring spoon. I have the hand soap dispenser right here, and I also have the big container. What I find is that these hand soap dispensers all have different sizes depending on which one you buy. So I like to first put the solution in this bigger bottle and then pour it into the smaller hand soap dispensers. So I have one for the kitchen, and then I also have ones for the bathrooms as well. So I like to start using this in the bigger one and then pouring it into the smaller containers. First, let's unscrew the top of this bigger container. Next, I'm taking my 1/3 cup measuring cup and I'm going to pour the Castile soap onto this measuring cup. I now have my 1/3 cup of Castile soap and going to pour it into this bigger bottle. You can also use a funnel if you think it will help you. Now I'll be adding in 1 cup of water. I have my 1 cup of water here and I'm going to pour this into the big bottle. You might want to do this over a sink. Now taking the 1 tablespoon, I'm going to pour in the glycerin in here, and then I'll pour it into the rest of the solution. This is the completed solution and what it looks like. This next step is totally optional, but I like to add some lavender essential oil. This was some lavender oil that my mom actually made for my bridal shower favor. So thanks, Mom. Now that we have our completed solution, I'm going to screw the lid back on and I'm going to give this a quick shake. Love the foam action here. This is what I'm talking about, you guys. Let's go open the top, and now I'm going to pour it into my little hand soap dispensers. And there we have it, your DIY foamy hand soap. I really hope that you like watching my DIY hand soap tutorial. Now let's go talk about costs and let's see how much it would cost you to make some DIY hand soap. This is a 32 ounce of Castile soap and it generally runs for around $10. They also sell different varieties of the Castile soap. Some of them have already scents in them, so you don't need to add essential oils. I think some of them have peppermint, lavender, so whichever scent that you'd like, you can purchase those. For the glycerin, this 16 fluid ounce bottle usually runs for about $5. And since you only need 1 tablespoon of glycerin in each hand soap bottle, this bottle will definitely last me a very long time. Essential oil isn't necessary to make the DIY hand soap, so I won't be including that in my calculations, but depending on where you bought your essential oil, if you made it yourself or if you purchased it in stores, it will definitely vary in terms of the cost. So a 1/3 cup of Castile soap will be about 83 cents. 1 tablespoon of glycerin will be about 16 cents. Next, you also need 1 cup of water, and if you're using tap water, maybe let's just say it's 1 cent. So 83 cents of the Castile soap plus 16 cents of the glycerin and 1 cent of the water will bring you to a total of $1 per hand soap bottle. Super cost effective as compared to if you bought it in store. Of course, it's very easy to go in a store, and if you need to purchase some hand soap, just go ahead and purchase them. But if you are feeling the DIY itch, definitely try making your own DIY hand soap. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you click the like button and also subscribe down to my channel below. It would definitely mean a lot to me if you subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Bye!